Right, let's do this. Let's take you around, full of wonder and happiness. Turn up a wee bit. Let's take you around Puddle Patch Farm. Oh wow, look. We have a new tablecloth. Isn't that pretty? Really nice, isn't it? Let's take you around. And then I'll go back round it afterwards. As you can see, there wasn't much to do in here at all. Look. Not even been touched in there. I put a new sack. Look. New sack. And then we got the freezer, we got the fridge. Isn't that lovely? Oh wow. That's a happy caravan. The same in here. And I put an extra toilet roll in here today. Just now, put an extra one. There's now two. Look. Can stroke it because it's Andrax. All that puppiness. Oh. The toilet. Look. With the crabs. Pinch, pinch. That was my boot, by the way. Not farting on camera. Isn't that nice? And then we go around here. The twin rooms, look. You'll see it in an evening light now. And we've got a little cupboard in there, look. With all them all down. I'll put all them back up there in a minute. And then when you're here, we've got another little cupboard, look. Isn't that nice? Actually, that can go in the bin. This has had lovely sweets on it, hasn't it? Yummy sweets. I was going to the bunk bedroom. Full of wonder and excitement. Look. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got a puddle picture. Which look like a lookalike outside. Whatever pair they are, they have started nesting. Because spring is here and it's happy. There we go. Oh wow, we got pillows, we got duvets. And a lovely picture of beach huts. I nearly said something else then, but beach huts. And then we go from here. As you can see, all the lights are on. See? Happy. Same in here. Let's do this carbon monoxide. Come on. 14th of April 2025. Come on. Wakey wakey. Get your happy.
Fire.
Same in here. And there you go. Puddle Patch Van is wow. The party never stops. And there you go. You see it in a different light. It's coming up to 8 PM now, and I'm out of here because I've got a guest that has just booked while I was cleaning. So have a good one. See you all later. Bye. Tomorrow. Out of here. Bye. And like Zebedee, I ping off everywhere. Bye.